दोस्तों स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से एक बार हमारे चैनल द हैरी सर अकेडमी में। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग बढ़िया होंगे। तो जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं, अगर आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो लिसनिंग और स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। और आपने अक्सर लोगों को कहते सुना होगा कि अगर आप अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो इंग्लिश मूवीज़ देखिए, और हो सकता है आप इंग्लिश मूवीज़ देखते भी हों। लेकिन अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ आप बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ के सहारे भी अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, तो अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कैसे। वेल, टू फाइंड इट आउट मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड, बिकॉज आज मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि कैसे आप बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ के सहारे बड़ी ही आसानी से अपनी इंग्लिश इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। बट बिफोर दैट, इफ यू डिडंट सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल देन मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। तो दोस्तों, बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ तो आप लोग ज़रूर देखते होंगे और आपको बॉलीवुड मूवी बड़ी आसान तरीके से समझ में भी आ जाती है। तो आखिर इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करने के लिए आपने करना क्या है? आपने अपनी कोई भी फेवरेट मूवी या फिर कोई सी भी बॉलीवुड मूवी जो आपने रिसेंटली देखी है, आपने उसे इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करना है। आपने उस मूवी से क्या सीखा, आपको क्या समझ में आया उस मूवी से, आपने वो सारी चीज़ें इंग्लिश में शेयर करनी है। तो दोस्तों, स्पीकिंग करते समय आपने छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स ऐड करनी है, जैसे मूवी कब रिलीज़ हुई, इसका डायरेक्टर कौन है, प्रोड्यूसर कौन है, और इस मूवी का मेन मोटिव क्या है, आखिर ये मूवी क्या मैसेज डिलीवर करना चाह रही है सोसाइटी में। इससे क्या होगा, आप जितनी छोटी छोटी डिटेल ऐड करेंगे आपका स्पीकिंग कंटेंट उतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा और उतनी ज़्यादा आपकी स्पीकिंग की यहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस होगी। सो मेक श्योर टू ऐड ऑल द डिटेल्स हियर। नाउ आई विल गिव यू अ डेमो हाउ यू कैन शेयर एनी मूवी इन इंग्लिश। तो गाइज, यहाँ पर मूवी ली है मैंने 3 इडियट्स। तो आपने ये मूवी ज़रूर देखी होगी। तो चलिए अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ आप इस मूवी को इंग्लिश में कैसे शेयर कर सकते हैं। So friends, 3 Idiot is a Bollywood movie which has captured the heart of millions of people worldwide by its engaging story, its relatable characters and powerful message. This movie is very amazing and very fantastic, and I think it is a perfect blend of drama, comedy and life lessons. So guys, this movie is directed by Rajkumar Hirani and it was released in 2009. So friends, there are 3 main characters in this movie. Aamir Khan as Rancho, R. Madhavan as Farhan and Sharman Joshi as Raju. So guys, they all are friends and they are engineering student. Here Rancho is a very bright student who motivates his friend and the audience to pursue their dreams. On the other hand, Farhan wants to become a wildlife photographer. He loves photography, but he was pressurized by his father to pursue engineering. And he is doing out of pressure. He doesn't want to do engineering, but he do not have guts to go against his father. And the third character here is Raju. Raju is pursuing engineering because of societal and family expectation. His family wants him to do engineering so that he will support them in future and they will become financially stable. But still, he want to meet the expectation of his family members and he is doing engineering. In this movie, the character that inspires us the most is the character of Rancho. Rancho is the central character of this movie. He is fun-loving, caring, smart, intelligent, and curious. He has some qualities which makes him different from the other characters, and somewhere we all also want to have those qualities in us. In this movie, he challenges the institute's rote learning method, and he encourages his friends to think critically about their education and about their life choices, and do not get influenced by the societal pressure. Rather, listen to your heart and follow your passion and make career in it. Throughout the movie, we can see that the character of Rancho serves as a mentor to his friends. Whenever they are in need, he always guide and support them, and because of his guidance and support, eventually Farhan and Raju get that courage to come out of their fear and live their life as they want and follow their passion. The second character here is Farhan. Farhan is a very nice guy. He loves wildlife photography, but his father forces him to do engineering. As we can see in our society, this profession is seen as a very prestigious profession, and he is in dilemma, he is in fix. He has no idea that what he actually wants to do. Despite his talent and interest in photography, he struggles to pursue his dream. So we can see that most of the youngsters can relate with the character of Farhan here, because the character of Farhan represent the internal conflict. So his character represent the internal conflict that many youngsters face nowadays, between what they want to do and what their family members want them to do. So the character of Farhan here revolves around the self discovery, and finally with the guidance of Rancho motivates him, and finally by his motivation he get that courage, he get out of that fear, he get that courage to stand up to his father and pursue his career in photography. So guys, through the character of Farhan, Three Idiots movie conveys a very strong message that listen to your heart and follow your passion. Do not get influenced by the society. Whatever people are saying, just don't listen to them, just listen to your heart and follow your passion and love it. And the third character here is Raju. Raju is shown as loyal, humble, but he is surrounded by self-doubts. He is shown as a timid person who easily get influenced by society. But we can see as the movie progresses, the character of Raju also undergoes a significant change. He develops lots of confidence, because here Rancho helps him, he guides him, he motivates him, and eventually he get that confidence. By the character of Raju, Three Idiot movie shed the light on mental issue, especially related to stress and anxiety, which is faced by lots of youngsters in the academics, where there is too much competition. Here we can see that Rancho helps him, and this movie conveys the idea, it shows that it is very important to seek help from good friends. So guys, that's it. तो देखा आपने कितना आसान है इंग्लिश में कोई सी भी मूवी को शेयर करना. गाइस, आप कितनी भी मूवीज इस तरीके से शेयर कर सकते हैं, इससे आपको स्पीकिंग के लिए कंटेंट मिलेगा और आपकी स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव होंगी. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends and with your family members. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.